hand is shaking. Hi guys, guess what we're doing for this video? Yesterday, I decided I wanted to try painting with my left hand, aka my non-dominant hand. This could go really bad. I've never tried painting with only my left hand, so this is gonna be interesting. So my idea is this big painting right here. This is one of my first paintings. I'm gonna recreate a miniature version on this 12 by 16 canvas, only using my left hand. You guys will see because I have a scrunchie here on my right and then I don't have one on my left. So y'all will know I'm not cheating. And there's nothing on the canvas right now. Like nothing. So we're starting from scratch. Wish me luck. Blue skies. Oh, I forgot I'm supposed to be using my left hand. This is already so hard. How do you even hold a brush? Like this? What the heck? This is gonna take a while. Okay, my first thoughts after doing the underpaint. First thing, my left hand is already tired. This is all I did, and it's already tired. I had to like let go of the brush and go like this a couple times because it's so like, it's like cramping up because it's not used to doing anything. Second, my brush strokes are really ugly. If you can see, I don't know how to control my left hand, so I'm just trying to do the best that I can. And third, this is going to take a really long time. If I were to do this with my right hand, I'd probably be done in about 30 minutes to an hour. But this could take 3 hours, I'm not even joking. And how am I supposed to blend later? My arms are tired. This is an actual workout. I'm not even kidding. Something I noticed is when I'm doing clouds with my left hand, it actually looks better than if I do it with my right hand. I think it's because my left hand is lighter, naturally just dabs a little lighter, so it makes the clouds look more natural. So see, I never would have known that if I didn't try this. So this is how it looks like right now. Honestly, I wanted to take a break because my left arm is so tired. I could probably do better on this part, but honestly, I'm not gonna do it anymore. It's so tiring, like I can't blend. It's so, like I just get so frustrated, so I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I'm just gonna do my best. I'm not gonna spend too much time because it's going to take forever, so. I'm almost finished the sky. I'm tired. Now I just have to do the yellow streaks, the bright yellow streaks of the sunset, and then lastly the black buildings and the shadow on the water and the boat. We're almost done, guys. Let's get it. Oh, I have to draw a straight line. So far, the reason I'm like scared right now is because this whole time I didn't have to draw any straight lines or like specific shapes. All I had to do was like dabbing motions. Some lines here and there, but those were pretty easy. They didn't have to be strict. But now I have to like My hand is shaking. Since it's a small painting, I think I appreciate that it's small because not a lot of detail is required to make it look good. I'm actually really pleased. I did not think I was gonna be able to do this, to be honest, but I'm very, very happy with the outcome. I did this all with my left hand. The hardest part was definitely the buildings and my signature. If you guys like these videos, then please subscribe. Click the subscribe and the like button. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.